Hi everybody. Today we are going to talk about design software in which the design of your schematic, PCB schematic will be done automatically. So in this Texas Instrumentation website, you can go to this design tool. There are a lot of design tools, but today we are going to talk about only first one, which is VBench Circuit Designer. What is happening in this tool? We just give the input values, input voltage, input current, and or required output voltage and or required output current. The total schematic between these two output and input will be designed by this software, and they will also give you the bill of material, also give you the PCB design, and it is totally free for you. Let's go here. VBench Circuit Designer, and that is inside the Texas Instrumentation website. Here we can go VBench Power Designer, like this. Okay, here they are giving us two options. We want to design the PCB design circuit. It could be from DC to DC or from AC to DC circuit. Okay, first of all, we go with DC to DC circuit. Here, basically this DC to DC circuit, we can also like take any value of the input here, like from which limit to which limit as an input, and output we want here like 3.3 volts and how much amperes we want. So, and we can also do some advanced setting here, which is the V in nominal, and here also something here, but I think so don't go in that much detail, just give the value here, anything which we want, and then we can see the result. And one thing more, because there are four options, which type of design we want: the balanced one, the one with low cost mean the components which will be used, they are having low cost and the bill of material will be lower. uh, at some point we need some designs, PCB designs, which should be having some higher quality, because when you are going to work with UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicle, then obviously you want something high efficiency and also small footprints. It means the size of the components which we are going to use in our schematic, that should be small. We can also control some parameters here, and if you have some time you can go in the depth of it, but first of all for this time leave it, and I just consider these inputs like 14 to 22 volts as an input and output as a 3.3 and 2 amperes. Let's go for the design and see what it create for us. It will take some seconds, and if you are giving some different values it can also take some different time. So with these inputs and output values, it is giving us 387 circuits. So all these circuits are useful for us. And the plus point is, here you can see how much filtration we can do, which type of circuit we want: external switch, integrated indicator, what should be the efficiency of this circuit. Just imagine if I will take this efficiency from, I want a circuit whose efficiency will be from 86 to 86.4 to 96. Then see, first of all it was having 387 circuits, and when I decrease the limit of this efficiency, like I want between this, then from 387 it goes down to 148. And what, how much the bill of material cost we want, like 0 to 240, we can also decrease it maybe till 2.4 or slash 4.8. so see, 122 circuits are left. So what is the size of footprint we want here? We can also adjust it here. If you want bigger size, smaller size, you can play with it. You can decrease the size of it and see how much less we are getting here, how much its switching frequency, output ripples, inductor ripples. Like you can control almost everything of your circuit, and accordingly the schematic which will be changed according to your requirement. Also you can have some different packages here for your IC and IC features, control mode, anything you can control here. And the next feature of this tool is You can also like customize this. There are a lot of schematics are here. As you can see, till now we have 103 matching designed according to our requirement. So you can take any one of this, like anyone. Every schematic will work properly according to your these input and output values. One thing more, you can see the exact final cost is here, bill of material. Like this schematic, you can get all these components from this website, which is Texas Instrumentation website, with a cost of $1.44. In the same time, this one with $0.81. If you will use these components, you will get in $0.87, and you can see that the IC cost of this schematic will be $0.30. So this is the thing, you can exactly get all these components from single this website. Okay, let's take anyone. I am going to take this first one. We can go to customize it. The beauty of this circuit is, if you want to like change any component in your this schematic, you can change it. Like, go for this one, click on this one, show more details. It can give you all the details with cost of it. And if you want to change this components, you can choose alternative, take any other components according to your requirement which you want. And sometimes it happens like if there is a this circuit, sorry, this capacitor, and if you want to take some other required capacitor, then obviously you can change it. And one thing more I want to show you here, like basically you can play with each and everything of it. I don't want to go in much depth. I will just go to the next step, which is simulation and export. In simulation, let's see what you can get here. It is giving us like four type of simulation, like a startup, load transient, and input transient with steady state simulation. I will just take the startup, and it will give us the output of like whatever the output it is giving us. Let's see. It will take like, maybe if you have big circuit, it can take few more seconds, but for now it is just taking 4 to 5 seconds. So this is the V out of your this required circuit, and this is the V in. How much V in it is taking, like maybe around 18 volts, and output it is giving you something like 0.05, 0.10, 0.1. It will be vary according to time, and you can also store it, or you can just cancel this simulation after your complete understanding of it. And if you want to download it, it will give you the option to download this design report. And one thing more, okay, when you have finalized this schematic for yourself, then you can just export it. And what you will get, they will give you, you can print this total report of it, and also the bill of material of each and every component of it, and the cost, and this chart you can also download it, the chart, like the output charts of it. And it will also help you to download the, how I can say, the PCB design of it. And it was happening here, I think so. Give me a minute. Let me see here in customization. Okay, in some cases it also give you the opportunity to download this PCB design. They also provide you the data for that, and in some cases maybe they are not providing it. Let me see one more time, but mostly they provide like the PCB design of it. So you don't need to design anything. If you want to design, you can just take the schematic, design in on Easy EDA, Altium Designer, and use it perfectly for yourself, because it is also giving you the simulation of it. So that is very handy software or simulation or website. And I will take few more videos, and if you want, I should take some different values here, and I will play with more components of it, and how we can download and how we can use it in some other tool like Easy EDA. You can tell me in comments. This time I took DC to DC, and next time I will take from maybe AC to DC. Let's meet you in another video. Thank you so much.